Good morning, guys. It's 4:41 in the morning. And papunta na kami ng airport. It's the 6th of June. And we're going on our first trip. Saan tayo pupunta?
Scotland, mate.
Saan sa Scotland? Edinburgh. Our flight is 7 a.m. But tignan natin kung may seats because sabi ba meron pa? May seats pa. Nice. Guys, we're through security and now we're on the way to the gate. And sana may Starbucks or something there because we only got like 3 hours sleep.
Shit, 10 minutes na lang mahal. Magsasara na yung ano.
Stop stress. Don't stress. It's over there.
Yan. Ay na lang maliit. 21 AND.
Upgrade kami, guys. Ang galing.
We're on a quick time check for you. It's now 8:10 in the morning.
We arrived in Edinburgh. Bilis lang pala ng flight. It's like,
Music.
bakit? Hindi ka makaisip?
Hindi. Kaya namin.
Ang bilis lang ng flight. It's parang 1 hour lang yung flight.
No, it's not.
It felt so short. Yeah, hindi ako nakatulog. And, in-upgrade pa yung flight namin. Because, I don't know why. Tapos may free breakfast pa. Thank you, Lord. Kasi, saya. Saya pala ng ganun. Yeah, very grateful. Medyo nakakahiya. I mean, hindi nakakahiya. Pero nahihiya ako kay Gabo. So, Gabo, for watching this in the future, mahal na mahal kita. Maraming salamat. At sinasama mo sa mga ganito. Welcome to Edinburgh. Ano masasabi mo?
Yan naman, medyo antok lang guys.
We are here. I don't know where we are. Hindi ko alam kung Edinburgh pa to. Kasi siya nag-book nito.
Okay, yeah.
Ito daw, nandito na daw kami. Thank you! Have a nice day! Okay. Roslyn Chapel. This is so random. But, we're going to the chapel. Ano masasabi mo? We just finished the tour. Ano?
Yun naman. Saya.
Yun lang masasabi mo?
Wala naman ako masasabi.
Tahimik ka
I
nga
feel
pala.
spiritual.
Spiritual? So cute. So sweet. I love him.
Ganda dito gabi.
Detour tayo, guys. We're gonna go to the castle where the final scene of the Da Vinci Code was filmed. Not that Gabo would know kasi
Alam ko yun, kaya ako nga
hindi pa niya pinanood. And oh. And what?
That we filmed, bro. See? Puta, nalibingan pala to.
He literally said, at the cemetery, turn left. Takot ka?
Hindi maaraw eh.
So?
Where's the castle?
Sabi niya 5 to 10 minutes. Baka matakakot ka.
Yan na. Puta tao pala. Castle yan?
Uy, putik. Nakakaiba.
Ay, gawin. Bababa pa tayo doon? Wag na. Pwede bang pumunta dito? Doon yata yung daan eh. Dito yata. Is
I
that...
think this is someone's house now.
That's not the castle. Wala namang castle eh. Mahal. Where are you going? What? Mahal. Pagsakay natin ng bus, sa taas tayo. Dapat sa taas tayo. Ako na mala.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Takas, takas. Wow.
Anong ginawa natin? Wala, nag-bus lang. Ito, nandito na kami sa center. Okay, we're gonna get off soon. We're gonna go to Edinburgh Castle. Guys, we're in central Edinburgh now. I was gonna say Scotland, but ang ganda. This is where we're gonna have coffee. Okay? Okay.
Narinig mo na yun? Nasa Scotland ka na. Tingnan mo sa mata na ako.
Kaya nga eh. Welcome to Edinburgh Castle. Guys, I cannot see the cannon, so can you see it with your eyes?
9 minutes. Ayun.
Anong masasabi mo dito? It's alright. It's alright, mate. Ano,
Okay
sige.
naman. Okay naman siya.
So, pumasok kami sa loob ng royal apartment. And anong
Castle.
masasabi mo dun? No, di ba yun yung royal apartment? Oh.
Apartment. Nakita ko yung ano,
Crown. And sword. And
Guys,
what else?
pasok lang kayo.
Anyways, what's the plan now?
Secret. Royal Mile. Sikat ba yun?
Ano,
Pinipicturean nila.
pinipicturean ni Wow. Ako din.
Picture mo ko dyan.
Sige, sige,
Parang may
sige.
storya nga yan eh.
Baka nga.
Na kailangan.
Ayan no. Nandito na ho kami sa Illusions. And yan pagpayat.
Bakit? Ayan, pag maliit.
Swirl. Guys, kakatapos lang namin sa photo booth.
Wala
Alright.
Yan na yung
Cute.
itsura natin. Wala na magagawa.
Ang cute, ang cute, ang cute. I love you. Okay, kaka-ano lang namin ng pictures. And now, saan mo gusto mahal dito? Now we're gonna go to one of the pubs down this street. Same ba? The mulch... Ay, oo. O, dito tayo po. We're so tired. Oh, I can't even. We're so tired. We've been up since 3 a.m. We had one last thing that mahal booked. Mahal booked. I don't know. It's not working anymore. Basically, we just got here. And I don't know. Which one? What are we doing here? But you...
But we're late.
Ano sabi ng Ale?
Dun daw, may party.
Oh my God, to be confirmed. Nawala yung pagod ko. Because I'm confused. Are we going on that? Shit! Shit!
Ba't na mahal ah? Paano mamaya?
Diba uwi pa naman tayo sa hotel?
Pagod na guys. Kahit 52 na eh. Kahit 52 na. Kung 5 tayo makauwi sana.
So what made you book this one?
Ano, nakita lang.
Saan? Sa TikTok?
Sa din doon. Putang ina mo. Gago. Gagi, hindi ko kaya mag-control pag ganun doon. Hindi ko kaya mag-control pag ganyan.
Chill the fuck out!
Hindi ko nga kaya mag-control.
Uy, kaya to!
Ay. Putang ina mo ka! Putang ina naman yun ate.
Uy, bagalan mo para give her, ano.
Dito nga masarap eh.
Oo nga, bagalan mo.
Can
Can
you
you hurry up, please?
hurry up, please? You're... Putang ina! Putang ina mo! Ay, tangina panira ng... Gago, sarap nun. Tangina panira ng ano to si ate.
Oh my God!
Putang ina, di ba ito nakakataog to? Putang delikado yun Putang ina! Fuck! Putang ina mo! Panira naman si ate. Gago.
Oh my God, napahihina ako. Ay.
Tayo mag-enjoy nyo guys.
Put your levers down.
Bagay kasi.
Oh my God. Ano nangyari? Ba't nandito tayo ngayon? Saan ba tayo dapat today?
Hindi ko alam, bastur.
Bastur? So instead, anong ginawa natin?
Jollibee to.
We'll try it. Play it out loud.
Hi guys. Hi the boss.
Gandang umaga. Good morning. It's the 7th of June. It's
Where we going?
8:15. I'm not really sure where we're going because Gabok booked this and I don't actually know what's included. I'm not even wearing the right attire. Like,
Pagpunta ulit, alam mo yan.
well,
Diba sinasabi mo
next time, yeah, my boyfriend should tell me what we're doing. right?
Sabi siya, hindi na pagpipiliin. So, yan yung trip.
Yeah,
Hindi
but
nag-isipan mo na yan eh.
yeah, but I thought it's
That's
because
Parasite.
you said that we're not doing any walking. You said we're getting off the bus to take pictures. That's it.
That's what we're gonna do.
Hmm?
Hindi gagawin natin dito. Bababa
Yeah,
lang.
but it sounds like we're walking somewhere because you said I'm gonna get cold.
Because we're going to the islands. Islands nga eh. Ganda naman. Okay. See you guys later.
Yeah, so we're on this tour today. Pupunta kami sa Scottish Highlands. Don't know what that means. It's the Loch Ness tour and yeah, yun lang. It's been a really good first day yesterday. Dami namin ginawa. Yun nga lang. Did I say last night we missed our ghost tour because we fell asleep? But we ended up getting Jollibee and suot na namin yung matching PJs namin. So, it was still good. Still good. And then, yeah, that's it. So, ayun, mahalos sinusundan na. That's what you want. It's following me now. Ganda.
Scottish folklore. Like you said,
You
still
think it's
inhabited.
real?
Yeah.
That's cool, innit? Guys, ang ganda. Mwah! Ang galing! Now we're at Fort Augustus. Dito pala yung cruise. Kala ko sa Loch Ness. I thought the whole point of the cruise was to try and spot Loch Ness Monster.
Kain muna tayo din.
Yeah, kain tayo. We just rushed our food para makadating dito ng 1:55 and now we're going on the cruise.
Valley than just the monster. So you'll study next. What member
Yun ang pala yun eh. Lalabas ka ng kanal, tapos iikot ka, tapos babalik ka ng kanal. Ganda naman. Pero if you actually wanna come here to look for the Loch Ness Monster, wala kang time. Balis lang yun. Like, we've been here 30 minutes. So, we finished the boat tour. Now we're gonna get ice cream. It's okay. It's alright.
Did you make a mess? That's not good, isn't it?
Thank you.
And you, sir? That is fair. That's £5, sir.
Yes, you have cabbages.
No, I don't. I have none.
Wow.
Saan kaya tayo pupunta pagkatapos nito?
Wait na.
4 hours kaya yung drive? Siguro uuwi na and then magsistop lang sa mga photo ops.
Where are we?
Loki Loki! Mogu Mogu!
Gumugo. Kilo.
Loki Loki?
I don't know.
Maganda? We're on the way back to Edinburgh, but the driver has made a stop sa Perthshire. Mag-feed kami ng cows. Hindi ko alam kung Highland cow. Baka Highland cow. If it's Highland cow, oh my gosh.
Ito lang.
There's Highland cow. Oh my god, dream come true talaga.
Why is it so loud? Ano kasi gusto ng tulog?
Jazz. Cows love jazz music. Cutie pies. Ay. Oh my god. That was on my 2025 bucket list, guys, na makakita ng Highland cow. This has been such a good day. Yun, pumunta kami din sa Scottish Highlands. Nag-boat tour, nakita yung mga different locks. I call them locks. Pumunta sa mga towns nila, like little, I don't know if you can class them as villages. And then yeah, pauwi na kami papuntang Edinburgh. And we stopped to we stopped to see the Highland cow, which has been on my 2025 bucket list alongside going to Scotland. Yeah. Now we're just gonna try to get one more picture with the cow before we get back on the bus. Hi guys, welcome to my taste test. I'm trying. I've never tried Mogu Mogu. Let's try Mogu Mogu.
Kainin mo yung ano. Wala ka nasabi.
That's not my thing. So, yeah, tapos na yung tour and now papunta kami sa Greyfriars.
Ang ina lang angas.
Pub yata.
Patila tayo, man.
Kasi
Saglit
gusto
lang.
ni Mahal. Like, Mahal wants to see this dog. I
The
don't
what?
know. You want to see a dog.
If only you know the story behind the dog.
Is it the one that his owner died?
I think so.
Meron din sa Japan ng ganun.
Yun nga, si Hachiko nga.
Ba't meron dito?
Meron din dog.
Okay, we're gonna see the dog. That, yeah, we're gonna see the dog.
Okay lang ba maulanan yan, mahal?
Probs not. Bye. Kita mo naman, hindi na kami pumunta dun sa ano. Sa what's it called? The Greyfriars. Nakita naman namin yung dog sa labas. This is the dog that we're talking about that Mahal wanted to see.
Welcome to Edinburgh!
It's our last day dito sa Edinburgh. Yeah, we're just gonna go to the center again. We're gonna get coffee. We're gonna go to mass. Yeah,
Papuntang taon sa dati.
sa Tawid ulit. Yeah, we're gonna get coffee. We're gonna go to mass. and just walk around.
12 p.m. 12 noon.
12 p.m. Yep. 12 p.m. mass. And then get lunch. Oh, and get souvenirs.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, the weather is so nice.
gusto mo? Hindi ka nalalamigan? Oh, I'm so cold. Nice. We're gonna get the 26. Kasi locals na kami. Bubas ba tayo? Papuntang airport?
Let's see later.
Yeah, let's see how much time we have. Okay, see you later. May mga markets. Aww. Hello. Hello, little doggy. Ay, sorry.
That's love.
That's love?
Yeah.
Hi. What's your name?
Nala.
Nella?
Nala.
Nala.
Viking.
Oh, hello, Nala. How old are you, Nala?
8.
Oh, so cute. Have a good day, Nala.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, I don't like that. I don't like
Bye bye, Nala. Alam mo ba kung anong kunin mo?
Bait.
So, dumaan kami sa church. Naabutan pa namin yung dulo ng mass. Parang maganda nga yung church, but we didn't walk around anymore. Now we're going back to that street that we keep going to. We're gonna go and get our souvenirs for ourselves. And wala na yatang time para magtingin ng iba. By 2:30 we need to be on the taxi or bus back to the hotel. So may time pa naman kasi everything that we're gonna do now is on the same street. Magpo-photo booth ulit kami. And sana maybe a pint just before we go home.
Kunwari pa.
Sige nga, ano nga?
Mayaman sa rito.
Cheers.
Cheers.